Well, we set about, ultimately, to solve two problems. One was that surgeons rarely see their patients more than a month after surgery. So to all intents and purposes, long-term outcomes are invisible to them. The second is the frustration of working in R&D and technology on the basis of clinical trials of 50 or 100 subjects, which are in no way robust or statistically significant when we're producing over 1 million IOLs each year. And for me, as a keen cyclist, I can see every single ride I make with benchmark data and comparisons to other cyclists on apps like Strava or Garmin Connect. So how crazy that these things are available for something such as cycling, but not available for something so important as eye surgery. So RayPRO is a mobile and web-based application for collecting patient-reported outcomes. It can be used for surgeons to supply data for their recertification. It can be used for promoting surgical services to patients, and it can also be used, probably most importantly, for monitoring surgical performance over time. Our intention is to give RayPRO free to Rayner customers so that, in effect, every time you buy a Rayner IOL, you're getting 3 years worth of patient data for that IOL. So RayPRO is designed to be quick and easy to use, requiring very little effort from the surgeon or nurse. Patients are registered on a desktop PC using very basic information such as their email address and the surgery that they had. The system then automatically sends the patient 5 questionnaires over a period of 3 years, each questionnaire containing no more than 4 questions. The results from those questions are collated in real time and fed back to the surgeon either through desktop or a mobile app. So RayPRO tells the surgeon patient satisfaction about the surgeon, the hospital where the surgery took place, and also the outcome of that surgery. It also tells them about the functional vision of the patient, things like how often do they wear spectacles for activities at different distances. It asks them whether their outcome of the surgery was consistent with the outcome that they discussed with their surgeon, and whether they were experiencing any disturbances during the day or night. And it ascertains whether patients have had follow-up procedures, things like PCO rate, things like laser top-ups that may even have been performed by a different surgeon than the one that originally took out the cataract extraction. And all of these can be filtered by date range, hospital, or IOL model. So they can be monitored over time, and differences can be seen between surgeons, between hospitals, and between IOL models. And if you want to, the data can be exported to Microsoft Excel, where it can be audited or analyzed to an even deeper level. RayPRO has been developed with privacy by design and to be GDPR compliant. It only collects data that matters to the patient and to the surgeon, and all subjects are anonymized within the data set, something which is overseen by the board of directors of Rayner. With the launch of RayPRO, we want to offer Rayner customers a complete IOL package, cutting-edge IOL design, and 3 years of patient outcome data. My mission is to provide Rayner with an absolute focus on providing the best visual outcomes to patients. And this is our way of proving that to you. Well, for Rayner, this is a critical product with high importance. Currently, we only receive vigilance data if surgeons happen to see the patient again and happen to report that to us. I don't think that's good enough. I want to see proactive safety and efficacy data, ideally on every IOL that we sell. And this gives us that. That's for our own comfort, and it's also becoming mandated by the new European medical device regulations, which we fully support. Secondarily, having aggregated deep insights about our products from all over the world enables us to make the right decisions in R&D and in product development to bring even better products to surgeons.